So a great way to start a new colour on a project such as a little granny square or something similar is to do what we call a standing stitch. So as it sounds, the stitch stands alone, so it's not joined with a slip stitch or a chain, and it just creates a much neater seamless finish, so you can't see where the join is. So I'm going to show you how to do a treble to start with. Now you've got two options. You can tie a slip knot and pop that onto your hook, but you will get a little knot at the end, or you can put a loop on your hook instead. So if you take your yarn and just hold it alongside your hook as normal, tension your yarn and yarn over as you would normally. So we'll go around this way. Now I'm going to take my end and I'm just going to cross it in front of that loop just to kind of secure it on my hook. Okay, so that's like our loop on the hook. When we're crocheting, we always have one loop to start with. So I'm going to do a treble, so I'm going to yarn over and I'm holding the loop here with my finger to secure it onto the hook, and then I'm going to insert my hook into the space or stitch where I want to start. So I'm going to start in this corner space, so I'm inserting my hook, I'm yarning over as normal as I would for a treble, and there you can see I've got 3 loops on my hook. So I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2, and then I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2, and there you can see it's a treble, but it's not linked to a chain or a slip stitch or anything. It's literally standing alone, which is why we call it a standing stitch. And then you can continue to do your trebles as normal. And then when you come round, if you want to join to the top of that, you can see the loop at the top, and you will just simply insert your hook into there and slip stitch to join. If you wanted to do a standing double crochet, it's exactly the same principle. Hold your yarn against your hook, tension, yarn over as usual to create that loop, and then just bring your yarn tail under the hook there just to hold that in place. And then we're going to just insert your hook into the stitch or space. So this time I'm just going to go into this stitch. I'm going to yarn over, pull a loop through. So now I've got 2 loops on my hook as I would for a double crochet. Yarn over and pull through 2. And that's a standing double crochet.